Ready to break free from the cycle of use and throw sticky notes? Want a guilt-free, cost-effective solution to reach that next goal? After countless hours of sketches, prototypes, and sleepless nights, we're excited to share something truly special. Meet Metto, the world's first metal sticky note, offering a new innovative solution for your productive needs. Unlike traditional use and throw sticky notes, Metto uses gecko-inspired nano-suction cup technology, allowing Metto to stick on various different surfaces again and again without any waste. If not, just wash it and it's ready to go. You can rewrite, reuse, and edit your drawings and notes on the flow with a smooth paper-like experience that'll make you keep on writing, sketching, on and on. Your Metto bundle case comes in various shapes and beautiful colors, helping you visualize concepts and stay organized. M1, M2, and M3. Not only that, to maximize your workflow, we designed a marker holder on M3 so you never lose a marker again. Made from beautifully anodized aluminum, which not only looks incredible but is also super lightweight and durable, without the chemical paper coloring and adhesive glues, with one Metto bundle equaling 50,000 sticky notes, helping you save time, environment, and money, creating a strong, lifelong companion for the challenges ahead. It's amazing that a simple note can help someone stay focused and brighten their day with kind words, or help a team innovate faster. That's why we're on a mission to help everyone experience the undeniable power of sticky notes. So what are you waiting for? Back our campaign now and step into the future with Metto.